How to connect Lovable to Squarespace. Built a killer app in Lovable but don't want to move your whole website away from Squarespace? In this year, you don't have to choose. Today I'm showing you how to connect your Lovable deployment to any Squarespace page so your custom AI tools live right inside your existing design. Let's get your app integrated. Okay, and the first thing you need to do is, of course, just finish your build on Lovable. And when you go into your project, for example, as so, you will need to hit deploy or publish. And once it's live on your custom domain or the Lovable subdomain, copy that URL. So in my case, it's this one. And back to Squarespace. In here, you go to Account Dashboard. Also pro tip, make sure your Lovable app settings allow for iframe embedding. If this is toggled off for security, Squarespace won't be able to see it, so switch that to allow before you leave the dashboard. And now you just head over to your Squarespace editor. So just choose your site, and then let us go into the site editor. Right, and go to the page where you want the app to appear and click Edit. So you go Edit Site, then Edit again. And now, as you can see, we have sections and pages, so choose the one that you wish to add your app to. So you go Custom Code, you can choose Code Injection, for example, and in here you just insert and paste the simple iframe snippet that you've copied from your Lovable. And you'll want to set the width to 100% and the height to match your app's layouts. And then just hit Save and Exit. And note that Squarespace often disables scripts in edit mode, so you'll need to view your live site to see your Lovable app in action. And now you have the power of a full-stack AI app with the ease of Squarespace drag-and-drop sites. Hopefully this integration guided you to do this and to connect both services. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe for more, and see you soon.